Hi guys, so this is the device that we're going to give away when we reach 3k subscribers. So it's an XPOD, one of our devices, but we've changed the design and we've dropped it into one of these nice hexagonal boxes. So inside the box there's a little mirror, the circuitry, and then there's just an access to the 9-volt battery. So there's an LED on the front and an audible tone on the back, and also an on-off switch. So we use the device, it's best in this orientation, and if we also show you under the desk, you can see that the XPOD sensor, as it's designed to do, will pick up movement through solid objects such as wood. So it's great to place next to areas that you can't actually access, and then to control the area, make sure you know there's no movement there, and then look for triggers in the object. Okay, so we'll give you more details nearer the time on how you can get your hands on this box. Obviously you need to be one of those 3k subscribers, but then we'll set out some competition rules a little bit closer to the time. Thanks.